Hey there, homeowners. Ever wondered if you can use floor tiles for your kitchen countertops? Well, let's dive into the pros and cons and see if it's the right choice for you. First up, durability. Floor tiles are extremely durable. They're resistant to scratches, dents, and chips, making them perfect for heavy use in the kitchen. Plus, they can handle moisture and stains like a champ. Next, heat resistance. One of the biggest perks of floor tiles is their excellent heat resistance. You can place hot pots and pans directly on the surface without worrying about damage. Super convenient, right? Now let's talk cost effectiveness. Floor tiles are generally more affordable than natural stone or solid surface materials. So if you're on a budget, this could be a great option for your kitchen remodel. But remember, proper installation is key. Ensuring the tiles are level and well sealed is crucial to prevent moisture penetration. I highly recommend getting a professional to install them for the best results. Maintenance is another important factor. Regular cleaning and sealing are necessary to keep your countertops looking and performing their best. Don't forget to seal those grout lines to prevent discoloration and liquid absorption. When it comes to material options, there's a variety to choose from. Ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone tiles all offer different benefits and aesthetic appeals. So let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: durability and heat resistance, cost-effective, a variety of styles, colors, and patterns. Cons: grout lines can be difficult to clean and maintain. Installation complexity and potential for tile cracks, requires regular maintenance. For practical tips, always hire a professional installer. Use high-quality sealant and select stain-resistant grout. For maintenance, clean regularly with non-abrasive cleaners and reseal periodically. In conclusion, using floor tiles for kitchen countertops is definitely viable. Just consider durability, heat resistance, cost, and proper installation and maintenance. And remember, NorthWest Stone Fabricators can guide you through the process and provide professional installation for a durable and stylish kitchen countertop. Thanks for watching, and happy remodeling.